Hello, future lab masters! Bill Nye here. Today we're diving into HPLC, high-performance liquid chromatography. It's basically a super sorting machine for liquids, separating out all the tiny components in a mixture. Why does this matter? In pharmaceutical labs, medicines must be pure, safe, and have the right amount of active ingredient. HPLC is how scientists check what's really in a drug, confirming its quality and safety. Imagine you're developing a new medicine. You need every batch to be perfect. HPLC is your go-to tool. It gives you the details you need to ensure medicines are safe and effective. HPLC is essential for quality control in pharmaceuticals. Think of it as a molecular detective, identifying and measuring every component in a sample. It's not just for new drugs. HPLC checks existing medicines to make sure they stay effective over time. Mastering HPLC is a key skill for anyone in a pharmaceutical lab. It's science that keeps us healthy. Ready to see how it works? Let's break down the parts. Stay tuned. Your journey as a pharmaceutical detective starts now. Science rules. Every HPLC system is a team of heroes, each with a special job. First, the solvent reservoir. This holds the mobile phase, the liquid that carries your sample through the system. Next, the pump, the heart of HPLC, pushing the mobile phase at high, steady pressure. The injector is your precise gateway, introducing a tiny, measured sample into the flow. Then comes the column. The real magic happens here. It's packed with special material that separates the sample's components. Each part of your sample interacts differently, so they travel at different speeds and separate out. As they exit the column, the detector spots them and sends signals to a computer. This creates a chromatogram, a graph showing each component as a peak. The whole system works together for accurate, repeatable results. Solvent, pump, injector, column, detector, each is vital. Miss one, and the whole process falls apart. That's the HPLC superhero team. Now let's see how you actually run an HPLC analysis. Ready for action? Let's go! Time to run an HPLC. Here's your step-by-step guide. Start with mobile phase preparation. Choose the right solvents, mix them and dégâts to remove bubbles. Next, column conditioning. Run the mobile phase through the column to stabilize it. Prepare your sample. Dissolve it in a compatible solvent and filter out any particles. Inject a precise amount into the system. The mobile phase carries your sample through the column, separating its components. The detector records each one as a peak on your chromatogram. Watch your data appear in real time. After your runs, don't forget system shutdown. Flush the column, turn off pumps and detectors, and clean up. Each step is crucial for reliable results. Precision and patience pay off. Follow these steps and you'll get great data every time. HPLC is all about careful prep and attention to detail. Ready to troubleshoot when things go wrong? Let's tackle common HPLC glitches next. Stay sharp. Science is in your hands. Even the best systems have hiccups. Here's how to fix common HPLC problems. High back pressure? Check for blockages, tubing, filters, or the column frit. Back flush or replace parts as needed. No peaks or low response? Make sure the detector is on, the lamp works, and your sample is concentrated enough. Check for leaks. Peak tailing or fronting. The column might be old, or your mobile phase pH could be off. Too much sample can also cause this. Baseline noise or drift. Air bubbles, electrical interference, or an unstable column are common culprits. Dégâts your solvents and equilibrate the column. Ghost peaks? Clean your injector, use fresh solvents, and check for carryover. Most issues have simple fixes. Systematic checks are key. Don't panic. Troubleshooting is part of the process. Each problem you solve makes you a better scientist. Stay curious and methodical. HPLC challenges are just science puzzles waiting to be cracked. Next up, how to keep your HPLC running smoothly. Maintenance matters. Let's keep your system in top shape. Onward. Want your HPLC to last? Maintenance is key. Always flush the system after use, especially if you've used buffers. Residues can cause blockages and damage. Filter everything, mobile phases and samples. Tiny particles are the enemy of HPLC. Use proper syringe filters and solvent inlet filters. Keep meticulous records, log every run, solvent, and maintenance step. Good notes make troubleshooting and reproducibility easy. Treat your column with care, handle gently. Avoid sudden changes in pressure or solvent. Follow manufacturer instructions for storage and use. A well-maintained column means better results and longer life. Maintenance saves time and money in the long run. Respect your equipment, and it'll reward you with reliable data. Make these habits part of your routine. Now let's talk about building your skills. Practice makes perfect. Ready for the final tips? HPLC can seem intimidating, but practice is the secret to mastery. Every expert started as a beginner. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Run standard solutions to learn what good data looks like. Try different samples and learn from every run. Ask questions and seek help from experienced colleagues. Troubleshooting is a valuable skill. Embrace the challenge. Each problem you solve builds your confidence and expertise. You're not just running samples, you're becoming an HPLC detective. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll get amazing results. Your work helps ensure safe, effective medicines. Be proud of your role in science. Get in the lab, stay curious, and remember, science rules. You're on your way to becoming an HPLC hero.